Another video. Today we have the Ryobi buy more save more hack / hack, however you want to call it. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Yes guys, we now have the Ryobi buy more save more. This is an awesome deal. All the HP, the new tools are included in this deal. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll see if I can leave the link down below in the description section to this tool. That way you guys could jump in directly to this deal. So we got this 1 plus HP. So these are the tools that are on sale, or with this deal. So it says 119. So this tool is the impact wrench. This is 160 foot-pounds of torque. It says compact 29, lighter weight 225, 1 plus. All right. So they got this 3/8 impact wrench, right? 119. If you guys go down here, you guys got the chart here. It says 2 for 169, or 3 for 249, or 4 for 329. So definitely great deals here. So you can choose. And here's the tools that you guys could choose from. You got 1 plus HP brushless cordless compact 3/8 impact wrench for 119, or you could get the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus 4.0 lithium HP high capacity battery, $99, which I think that's not really a good deal with this thing. You got the Ryobi 18 volt 3 amp hour high capacity battery pack 2-pack, 119. It's a much better deal there. Got the 1 plus 100 miles per hour 280 CFM cordless battery variable speed jet fan blower, $99. Or you can get the 1 plus HP 18 volt brushless cordless 1/4 inch 4-mode impact driver, $99. Or you can get the 1 plus brushless 1/2 inch hammer drill, tool only, $119. Or you can get the 1 plus HP 18 volt lithium brushless cordless compact 3/8 right angle drill, $99. Or you can get the 1 plus HP brushless cordless compact cutoff tool, $99. Or you can get the 1 plus HP brushless cordless compact one-handed reciprocating saw, $99. Or you can get the HP 18 volt brushless cordless jigsaw tool only, $129. Or the last one is brushless cordless reciprocating saw tool only, $129. So you guys could choose from any of these. My recommendation is go for the higher prices. So obviously this one's the higher price, the 3/8. The battery here, add to the cart. I'm just gonna add it randomly here. Add to the cart, and we're gonna add the hammer drill. Is probably the best ones to get, and the reciprocating is already in the cart. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see what's up, because I already got too many tools up here. Obviously that's not healthy for this deal. So we got a total of $781. Okay, all right, so let's see what we got. So we got 129. The jigsaw's valued at 129, says 36%, $82.25. This one's $82.25. I don't know why it says, oh yeah. Alright, so this one's not in there because I already got too many tools. I'm gonna start deleting some of these tools down on the bottom. Alright, so they got the circ saw here, so you guys could get the circ saw too, I guess, or actually not. It's not included. It's not included. And then again, you guys could try different things, Alright, so you got the reciprocating saw here. The one-handed reciprocating saw, I'm going to delete this. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to delete one. I'm probably going to delete the batteries here, just so we can get the 4. the 4 tool combo kit that we need to have. Alright, so we got the 4 already in the cart. As you guys see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have 5 in the cart. Alright, I'm gonna try deleting one. Which one's less price? Probably this one. That's the one everybody wants. Oh yeah. Somehow that one's not in there. So the big one's not in there. Okay, so I guess now we have. Wait, this is a 31%. Okay, so all right, this is the deal here that they got. So they got 129 for the jigsaw. It dropped down to 82.25. All right, for the impact wrench, from 119 it dropped down to 82.25. From the, what is this? The OnePlus brushless cordless hammer drill, it dropped down to 82.25. The reciprocated style, it dropped down to 82.25. So there you go, guys. That's pretty much the way this one works. This one works differently. So my guess is just the higher the price, the better you're off. I'm probably this. Which one's the higher the price? Says. All right, I'm gonna put 2 of these. See what it says. The 2 of those. 164, 30%. So I don't know. Let me just check real quick because I'm not super good with numbers here. I'm gonna just do the calculator here, see if it'll do it. All right, so 164.50 divided by 2 equals. Wow, guys! So you guys could get unlimited. Don't tell me that. You guys can get unlimited tools. Let's put 3. See what that works. So 246. Okay. 246.75 divided by, how many did I say? 3 equals 82.2. What? Isn't that crazy? You guys could choose all the tools that you guys want. If you guys want 2 of these, I'm going to put 4 of these. How's that? So we got 329 divided by 4 equals 82.20. Yep. So guys, it says right here at the bottom, you're getting these. So you can get any combination of 4 tools, and you can get the whole. You can get as many as you want, and still get it for the discount. Let me try adding one more, a different one, see what it does, because I don't know. Let me just check it out. So let's add the hammer drill here. I know it's. All right. All right, let's add the hammer drill here. All right, we got the hammer drill in there. All right, well, just where's that at? Right here. All right, it says save 31%. All right, need to go to the cart. It says 0 items in the cart. I don't know why it says 0 items. All right, 82.25. 82.25. 82.25. 82.25. Guys, you guys could get unlimited tools for 82.25. That's crazy. So all the tools, all the HP tools are 82.25 if you buy. Look at this. My total is $1,000. Well, okay, whatever. So my total is $1,000.69. Savings $407. Guys, you guys could get unlimited tools as long as they're HP for $82.25. Oh yeah, it says right here, we're sorry, this promotion item is limited to 4 per order. Update your quantity. Alright, let me just remove this. remove. See if it'll work. Alright, so we got 4 here, 4 here. Limit 4 per order. Okay, so it is limited 4 per order, but you guys can still get them at $82.25. Look, 4, 4, 4. I'll just put 4 here. Why not? You know. So we got a total of $1,300. Actually, a subtotal of $1,984 minus the $668. It equals out to $1,316, and you can't order that. Yep, I don't got the right. Yeah, guys. So don't forget to check it out. Bunch of good deals here. You guys could hack it. I mean, you guys, if you guys want to just this one and want to get it for the $82.25, you guys could return the rest of them. You know, have the other ones that we ship them to home and just pick this one up at the store. Or, whatever you want to do. If you want to pick this one up at the store and then just have the other shipped to the house and just cancel it with your email, you guys could do that if that's what you want to do. Personally, I think these are good deals. $82. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.